Reba's Reading Treasures! It's Reba to the rescue! Come on along and read this sensational story with me! The title? Spending Time with Caden! Hello, friends! Kyrie and I would like to introduce you to one cool guy named Caden. Caden owns his own business and works quite hard. Caden owns an online sneaker store. Kyrie and I are helping him today. Kyrie and I are helping to package sneakers which will be sent all throughout the country. It's time for lunch. Caden is eating a sandwich. Kyrie and I are going to eat hamburgers. It's back to work in the factory. Kyrie and I are helping Caden ship out 4 pairs of sneakers to one valued customer. An additional 6 pair have to go out in an hour so that the postal worker can come and retrieve them. After the work, Caden, Kyrie, and I are putting our wheels up. Caden loves to ride his bicycle. Kyrie and I are going to roller skate. Down at the city square, we are enjoying snacks as Caden dances to the music. Go, Caden, go! Caden has to check his phone. It seems as if some of the pairs of sneakers are going to the wrong address. Caden is upset. Worry not, Caden. Kyrie and I are going to help you fix this issue. that the issue with the sneakers has been resolved, Caden takes a dance break. Our day is just about over. Caden, Kyrie, and I are riding and rolling home. What a fantastic day with that cool guy, Caden. Cheers for fantastic friends. Caden, let's hook up again soon, okay?